how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. If you've been wondering how to know if someone is online on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Snapchat doesn't have a simple online status like some other apps, but there are a few sneaky ways to tell if your friends are active. In this video, I'm going to show you how to figure out it. Let's get started. Alright, the first sign that someone is online is the little green icon next to the Bitmoji. Simply tap on the search bar, and here you can find all your friends, also the people that you are not your friends with. If you see a small green circle next to your friend's Bitmoji, that means they're active on Snapchat right now. This indicates that the person has the app open and is actively using Snapchat. So if you're chatting with them and notice them, it's a clear sign they're online. Another way to tell if someone is online is by checking the chat screen. If you recently messaged someone and their message was read or marked with a gray arrow, they're mostly likely been on the app recently. If your snaps are undelivered, it means that they have not been online. Now, even though Snapchat doesn't show an explicit online status, this recent activity can help you gauge if they've been on the app. If the messages are read or the chats show up as read opened, they're active or have recently opened Snapchat. And if you're chatting with someone and you see a small Bitmoji icon right in the typing indicator, that means they are simply watching and typing and seeing your messages. And that's it. That's how we can know someone is online in Snapchat.